Come here. Bra.
You should be on standby. If in case of anything you
what kind of life is that? I've been asking you about the for the past 1 hour, and you're not telling me the truth. What kind of life is that?
Wait, the turn away in Sony.
Oh, no more fight. Who took you?
Mr. Sony. So why is he here?
Who took you? What kind of life is that? Who needs you uncle? Who needs can't if you uncle? You attend the Biania. Who needs you uncle?
Master, call your region commander for me.
When you can't if you uncle. What kind of life is that? 1 hour, I'm going to tell some fire tender. More problem, I'm going to tell me. You've not told me any about any problem. Have you complained about any problem to me? You assured me that and so on. Whether you have or not. If you have a challenge, I'm here. I can call whoever I need to call. So tell me the truth. You need drip machines to help you. Tell me, did you tell me? But you assured me that you have water in the tank. And you think that people's investment will be any hands here? Will be any hand? Will be any hand? The
drip machine. I even ordered the drip machine to come here. No. So, Manembra, because the mass life is in danger. Obi somewhere. So call them. Yeah. Manembra.
I'm the return. I'm not.
I'm not assisting the guy because Masa, wait, who's this so, Mama?
Tell me.
What's this so? And the money will go.
I am not telling. Don't give me false assurances.
Chief, you should move because if there's no water, you buy a water.
Which minister is here?
What is he should move the car.
What kind of life is that? They should give them query.
I know.
So why are you people deceiving us? There's no water.
There is no water in that.
There's no water.